Is your home or business needing of new windows, roof, or perhaps some landscaping services like tree trimming? We have the company for you. Let me explain how this all works. PKMS Services has always been customer focused. We work with companies that have a better than average customer service reviews, reports, and follow-ups. Finding quality companies that have been in business for 10 plus years with the same business name sounds easy. You'll be surprised. We verify that their employees are fully licensed, insured, and bonded, giving you a peace of mind knowing that your project is being done by a local company that does exceptional work. We all know that supporting your local businesses is important because it provides jobs, growth, money, and stability in the community. This means that whatever your home or business improvements are, PKMS Services will send only the best to do the work for you that we've pre-screened by our marketing service experts. Why have work done from a stranger or company 50 miles away when you have great local help nearby? Avoid the guy that owns a truck and hammer or companies that pay their way to the top on popular websites. Work with the best. Stay local, work local, play local.